Good day, tutor and classmates. Today I will explain the activity for Step 2, Comprehending Intellectual Property. My name is Luis Alberto Torres Garcia. This homework is presented to our tutor Marta Catalina Ospina. In this slide we could see my cell phone, my Skype, my student code, and my group, which is the number 36. Well, let's see the concept map about excessive processing times, causes, and consequences. Well, first that all we could check the causes. I have the process takes 8 to 10 months to be complete, which is too much time. The process could take 1 more year if third parties make an opposition or a complaint about the product or the mark I will be registered in. The second thing that could make longer the process is that the SYC, Superintendencia de Industria y Comercio, have a negotiation active. So due to an administrative process, it could take more time to be complete. Another cause is the problems in documents filling, which is a basic problem. Another cause is not request the revision of patentability in the next 6 months. This is an important requirement to patent or register any product or mark. And failures in the background review, which is an exam to patent or to check if the requirements are complete to give their approbation or their approval, for the requested mark or product to be registered in. Last but not least, we have the lack of economic liquidity, which is a problem presented most of all in small and medium business in Colombia. As a consequence, we have SYC requirements to complete background studies due to the cause mentioned before. Second, we have the process abandonment, which is a cause we have due to not request the revision of patentability in the next 6 months. So we have also the lack of IP protection in Colombia, illegality, and I think that this is important. Use different administrative resources to protect IP in companies. Recommendations to avoid the problem. We have implement an automatic database to check specifying some requirements if the product which is required to patent already exists. Second, develop administrative and pedagogic tools that guide entrepreneurs and organizations in the process to register a product. And third one, improve administrative process to reduce process time to patent anything we have to patent. Thank you, and that's all for my presentation.